Going, yes.
But all our cares after him. One banana. This is unbelievable.
This sound is empty here. This sound is not ordinary. This can be radio.
You better undo it. I said your daughters are possessed.
You're the one that possessed them.
It's an evil spirit called incubus.
If they are possessed, you possess them.
No, it is a sexual demon. It makes them horny.
Anyway, I don't have time for a low-life ship prostitute like you. Are you stupid? Are you mad? Listen, when you get home, call your mother and your useless sisters prostitutes.
You should be the one to tell Amoge to leave me alone.
Chineke,
as big as you are, you can't give her what she wants. She keeps coming back to me. Big body, small engine.
Big daddy, because of your John Thomas. Big daddy, they want to kill each other. Because of you. They call you Big daddy, because of your John Thomas. Big daddy, they want to kill each other. Because of you.
My name is Long John, aka Big Daddy.
I have told you times to that number. I don't want having to do with that man. He's not just a liar, but he's everything bad.
As for Long John, he is mine. And mine will he be forever.
Long John is mine. And mine alone. So please, stop wagging your tail around him. Else I will cut it off.
Long John, every girl want to have you. Long John, Big daddy, because of your John Thomas. Big daddy, want to kill each other. Long John, because of you. Long John, they call you Big daddy, because of your John Thomas. Big daddy, they want to kill